The Great Collapse. How we put the world in our pocket. Imagine a time when the planet felt impossibly, terrifyingly vast. To our ancestors, the ocean was a month-long silence, and the mountains were a permanent wall. The world was a collection of faraway places that most people would never see and strangers we would never hear. We lived on a massive, divided Earth where distance was the ultimate ruler of human destiny. But then, a group of American dreamers began to weave an invisible web of light. They weren't just building a network of computers. They were building a machine to shrink the planet. When the first digital message traveled across the country in 1969, the Great Collapse began. Slowly then all at once, the thousands of miles that separated us started to vanish. The world didn't get smaller, but our reach became infinite. This single invention turned the other side of the world into the other side of the screen. We watched as the massive physical barriers of history, oceans, borders, and time zones dissolved into a single, glowing digital neighborhood. Today, you can speak to a person in a different hemisphere as clearly as if they were standing in your kitchen. We have turned the entire sum of human culture into a single, shared conversation. The planet shrunk so much that a small-town creator can now have a global audience, and a lonely heart can find a soulmate across an ocean with a single swipe. We traded our isolation for a global pulse, proving that the most powerful thing we ever invented wasn't a weapon to divide us, but a thread to pull us all together. The moral of this story is that while the planet has shrunk, our responsibility has grown. When the world is at your fingertips, you can no longer say that the struggles of others are too far away to matter. The internet gave us the proximity of neighbors. It is up to us to provide the kindness of a community. You hold a shrunken world in your hand. Don't just look at it, take care of it. The walls are gone. The only question left is, what kind of neighbor will you be?